Okay, you got your food, some delicious food. You're not a prepper yet. Ready? Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Just doing a little house cleaning while I have some food cooking. I wanted to talk to you guys about food prepping, okay? Food prepping. Now, when it comes to food prepping, it's a weirdly popular topic right now, especially if you visit the website Reddit. Food prepping is a thing. So you're wondering, what is food prepping? Man, you're wondering what is food prepping. I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you the 2019 head start on how to be a master food prepper. If you ever go to Reddit or sites like it that have subreddits or sub-forums or subcategories within them that talk about food prepping, you're going to see a lot of questions. How do I do this? How do I do that? How do I get started? They want to be in. It's like a clique. It's like a gang. It's a gang of people just terrorizing the food culinary community, okay? And exactly what they're doing, they're using code language and they call it prepping. Well, how do you food prep? If you want to get in on it, Ryan for Silly Reviews, right now, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you what I have going on cooking over here on the right. First of all, pop the top, boop, bop. Okay, that's some rice that's almost done. In the rice, you cook the rice with your seasonings. You cook it with some vegetables. I even got a little meat in there for flavor. You cook your rice with your flavor in it. You'll be blown away. That's great. Second thing is, what we're gonna hear is what's gonna go on the rice or with the rice, okay? That's gonna be some extra lean ground meat, okay? I've got diced tomatoes in there. I smashed up tomatoes. I got stir fry in there, getting weird with it. A lot of bell peppers, a lot of onions. So you're like, damn, Ryan, that's great. But I need to prep. What am I gonna do to food prep? Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. Ready? Boom. Boo bam. Whoa, it's right there. It's right there. All you need is a freaking container. Now you're a food prepper. Well, you're almost a food prepper. We'll get you a little scoop. Okay, you got your food, some delicious food. You're not a prepper yet. Ready? Now you're, God. Food prepping. There you have it. Now you're the master. Go prepare some food. Be cool. Food prepping.